Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster mac and cheese. Start by boiling 1 lb pasta to al dente and warming lobster meat while making a creamy cheese sauce. Make a roux with 3 tablespoon butter and 3 tablespoon flour, then whisk in 1 cup heavy cream and 2 cups shredded cheddar until smooth. Combine pasta, sauce, and lobster, top with breadcrumbs, and bake until bubbly and golden. In this video, I will show how to make lobster mac and cheese. Whisk the roux constantly, then add warm cream slowly to prevent lumps and keep the sauce silky. Use 2 cups sharp cheddar and 1 cup Gruyere for depth, stirring until melted and smooth. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne. Finish by folding in the lobster gently so it stays tender. In this video, I will show how to make lobster mac and cheese. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen, making multitasking effortless and fun. It fits on a counter and responds to voice so you can set a 5-minute timer without touching anything. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lobster mac and cheese. Layer the pasta, creamy sauce, and warm lobster in a baking dish, pressing lightly to distribute evenly. Sprinkle a buttery panko crumb topping for a crisp contrast and bake at 350 degrees F until bubbly and golden on top. Let rest 5 minutes before serving so the sauce sets slightly and the flavors meld for a perfect bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.